Good morning, guys. This is Mrs. Carr, and today's Friday, and today is Friday, as I said, April 17th. The weekend is here. Just a little bit longer, guys. All right, guys. So, last thing that we're doing this week is we're watching this video on YouTube about more about fossils. Okay, and then so you're gonna click on that, open that up. And you can see, let's see how long. Oh, it's only 3 minutes and 3.5 minutes. So pretty short video. And then you're going to come over here and you're going to listen to this read aloud. Oh, look, I like those. It's a book. Somebody's reading a book. Those are always fun. And it's a little bit longer, but hopefully totally worth it. And you can skip the ad in 3 seconds, of course. But we do like, oh, look, 8 minutes. So, we do like read alouds. Those are always fun. When you're done with the read aloud, you're going to come over here and answer these discussion questions. As usual, you're going to flip back into your Schoology tab. There will be a discussion post right here where you can add your answers to your discussion post. Please make sure you are checking back after you post throughout the day for responses. All of your teachers are responding to all of your posts. All of your teachers are responding to all of your posts. So please make sure you are checking back and looking to see what your teachers are posting to your post, because that way you all can have an actual discussion, because then you can reply to their reply, and on and on and on. So lots of fun there. So go ahead and answer these questions in your discussion post in Schoology. When you're done, you're going to read this scenario. Again, open that up, and you can either print it off if you want the hard copy, or you can read it right straight from your screen. And then you're going to write a CER describing what fossils tell us about the environment millions of years ago. And basically what a CER is, these are your I claim statements. That's it. These are I claim statements, CER. Claiming your answer, giving your evidence, and your reasoning. So I claim the answer is this because, and then you give your evidence and your reasoning of how you know that that's the answer. And then here are some sentence starters that you can use. I would suggest you opening this up and having this tab open so that you can come back in here. So you are saying, this is what you observed, this is what you compared, this is what you noticed. Here's the evidence to why, and then based on that evidence, here's your reasoning. So you can use these sentence stems to make your claim to this, okay, to whatever this scenario is. Telling about the environment millions of years ago. All right, guys, when you're done with your claim, evidence, reasoning scenario, you're going to come back to the Schoology tab, and we have a quizzes to round out our week. So go ahead and click on that, and here is your code, and your code may be different depending on what class you're in, but as usual, that's your code to join your quizzes. And when you're done with that, if you still need it, I know it's Friday, so you may not need it this week, but if you do, there's always the I need help section and the give me more section, if you have not already worked on those earlier in the week. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. I'll see you on Monday. Bye-bye.